Alright, so today we're going to take this $85 LS1 oil pan that has this kind of cheapo baffle in it, and we're going to fix it up with some trap doors. And the trap doors are just hinges from Ace Hardware for like $6 a piece. Okay, a little bit of grinding, a little bit of work with the air hammer, and we got this kind of pointless baffle taken off of here. It was at the front of the pan, so that baffle was running like right here, where there's already a wall of the pan. I don't know why it exists. It seems kind of dumb. Alright, so I got the first one ready here. That baby's going right there, welded on, and then I've got this little gusset. Alright, so I can't get this to stand up, but the idea is this is going to get welded on like here, so that when this swings, this hits the other part and keeps that from going any further than like straight up. So it'll hit that gusset when it gets about here. Okay, the second one here is not as ugly as the first one, but I think they'll both work. That's hard to show. Okay, so the way this baffle was set up was kind of like this, which doesn't seem to do a whole lot. I mean, it's already up by the front of the pan there, and I don't see a big reason to keep it that way. So what I'm thinking, I'll flip it this way, and that will keep, kind of keep this divider through here, keep it from sloshing a bunch of oil back away from the pickup, and I'll put another trap door right in here, like I did with these two, and that way I'll have a solid wall in the front, and then trap doors on the other three sides, and I think that should be pretty decent. So for some reason I had to clearance these ribs in order for the oil pump pickup to fit. That's taken care of now, but this casting here isn't very good. I'm going to clean that up with this carbide burr. The other thing I noticed with this $85 pan that isn't amazing is there's a bunch of crap in there. Obviously I just made it worse, but that stuff is already in there, so it's going to get a nice wash before I put it on. Okay, this baffle's all done. There's the part that will allow fuel to slosh into the sump when you hit the brakes. There's another one. Those are two for corners. I took that front part, put it in a different spot, re-welded it. There's the fuel coming in, and there's the two from the sides. And there's pretty good tolerance to the bottom. So I think we'll be in good shape. Okay, oil pan's done and on. Now I can flip this thing over, put the intake back on, and get it ready to run. We're about ready to rock with this thing. That'll be on the next episode.